Matte finishes and gloss finishes are two distinct surface treatments available for electrical devices such as dimmers and switches. Matte refers to a non-reflective, smooth surface, whereas gloss has a shiny, reflective finish. Considering the advantages and disadvantages of each can assist in selecting the appropriate finish for specific needs and preferences. A matte finish presents a subdued appearance that blends well with most decor. It effectively hides fingerprints and smudges better than gloss finishes and is available in a variety of colors to match existing fixtures and decor. A gloss finish offers a reflective surface that adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. It shows fingerprints and smudges more easily and is available in a limited color range. Several standard brands offer matte finishes in their product lines. Lutron provides matte finishes in the Diva, Maestro, and Sure Start lines. Leviton offers matte finishes in the Decora, Vivint, and Illuminate lines. To further explore newer and specialized device styles, consider the following resources. Lutron provides information on cassette wireless at lutron.com/nus/product/pages/smart lighting control/wired wall controls/cassette wireless and information on RA2 select at lutron.com/nus/products/pages/smart lighting control/smart home integration/RA2 select. Leviton offers information on smart controls at leviton.com/n/products/residential/dimmer switches/smart controls and information on Vives at leviton.com/n/products/residential/dimmer switches/Vives. Matte finishes are becoming increasingly popular in home decor due to their versatility and ability to conceal smudges. Some higher-end device manufacturers, such as Lutron and Leviton's Portier line, offer more unique and luxurious finishes such as metal, stone, and wood. When choosing a finish, consider the overall style of the space, the existing fixtures, and personal preferences. It is always a good idea to consult with a qualified electrician or interior designer for expert advice on device selection and installation. Considering factors such as the desired aesthetic, maintenance requirements, and the overall design scheme can help in making an informed decision. Remember that matte finishes offer a subtle, understated look that works well in various settings, while gloss finishes provide a more polished and eye-catching appearance. By carefully evaluating the options and seeking professional guidance, selecting the right finish that complements the space and meets functional needs is possible. Furthermore, it is important to consider the compatibility of the chosen devices with existing electrical systems and local building codes. A qualified electrician can ensure proper installation and adherence to safety standards. The selection of electrical devices extends beyond just the finish and includes factors such as functionality, energy efficiency, and smart home integration capabilities. Dimmers, for example, can help reduce energy consumption and extend the lifespan of light bulbs, while smart switches can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps or voice commands. Exploring these additional features can enhance the overall convenience and efficiency of a home's electrical system. In addition to the resources provided, consider visiting local lighting showrooms or home improvement stores to see the different finishes and device styles in person. This can provide a better understanding of how the finishes look and feel, and how they might complement the overall design of a space. Also, reading online reviews and testimonials from other homeowners can provide valuable insights into the durability, performance, and overall satisfaction with specific products. When making a decision, balance aesthetic preferences with practical considerations such as ease of maintenance, functionality, and budget. Keep in mind that investing in high-quality electrical devices can improve the safety, efficiency, and overall value of a home. Moreover, staying informed about the latest trends and technologies in the electrical industry can help homeowners make informed decisions and create a comfortable and stylish living environment. For instance, the increasing popularity of LED lighting has led to the development of dimmers specifically designed to work with LED bulbs, ensuring smooth and flicker-free dimming performance. By staying abreast of these advancements, homeowners can optimize their lighting systems and reduce energy consumption. In summary, the choice between matte and gloss finishes for electrical devices is a matter of personal preference and depends on the desired aesthetic, functional requirements, and budget. By considering the advantages and disadvantages of each finish, exploring available options from reputable brands, and seeking professional guidance, homeowners can make informed decisions and create a safe, efficient, and visually appealing living space. It's also worth noting that some manufacturers offer a range of finishes beyond just matte and gloss, including satin, textured, and metallic options. These specialty finishes can add a unique touch to a space and complement specific design themes. Satin finishes, for example, offer a subtle sheen that is less reflective than gloss but more lustrous than matte, providing a balanced aesthetic. Textured finishes can add depth and visual interest to a wall, while metallic finishes can create a modern and sophisticated look. When considering these specialty finishes, it's important to ensure that they are compatible with the overall design scheme of the space and that they meet the required safety standards. A qualified electrician or interior designer can provide valuable guidance in selecting the appropriate finish and ensuring proper installation. Furthermore, it is essential to consider the long-term maintenance requirements of each finish. Matte finishes, while generally easier to clean than gloss finishes, may require occasional touch-up to maintain their original appearance. Gloss finishes, on the other hand, may be more prone to scratches and smudges, requiring more frequent cleaning and polishing. By considering these maintenance factors, homeowners can select a finish that not only looks great but also stands the test of time. In addition to the finish, the material of the electrical devices can also play a significant role in their overall appearance and durability. Common materials include plastic, metal, and glass, each offering its own unique set of advantages and disadvantages. Plastic devices are typically more affordable and lightweight, but they may not be as durable or aesthetically pleasing as metal or glass devices. Metal devices offer a more premium look and feel and are generally more durable than plastic devices, but they can also be more expensive. Glass devices offer a sleek and modern look and are resistant to scratches and fading, but they can be more fragile and require careful handling. When selecting the material for electrical devices, consider the overall style of the space, the budget, and the desired level of durability. It's also important to ensure that the chosen material is compatible with the intended use of the devices and that it meets all applicable safety standards. For example, devices installed in damp or wet locations should be made of water-resistant materials to prevent electrical hazards. By carefully considering the material, finish, and functionality of electrical devices, homeowners can create a safe, efficient, and visually appealing living space that meets the specific needs and preferences. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician or interior designer for expert advice on device selection and installation. They can provide valuable insights and guidance, ensuring that the chosen devices are compatible with the existing electrical system, meet all applicable safety standards, and complement the overall design of the space. Finally, it is worth noting that the cost of electrical devices can vary significantly depending on the finish, material, functionality, and brand. While it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest options available, it is important to consider the long-term value and durability of the devices. Investing in high-quality electrical devices from reputable brands can improve the safety, efficiency, and overall value of a home, while also reducing the risk of costly repairs or replacements down the line. By carefully weighing the costs and benefits of different options, homeowners can make informed decisions and create a living space that is both stylish and functional. In conclusion, the selection of electrical devices is a complex process that involves considering a variety of factors, including the finish, material, functionality, brand, and cost. By taking the time to research the available options, consult with professionals, and carefully weigh the costs and benefits, homeowners can create a safe, efficient, and visually appealing living space that meets their specific needs and preferences. So, when deciding between matte and gloss, remember to consider the room's overall design, the amount of natural light, and your personal style. A matte finish can create a calm, understated ambience, while a gloss finish can add a touch of glamour and reflect light to brighten up the space. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that complements your vision and enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. And remember, safety should always be the top priority. Ensure that all electrical work is performed by a qualified electrician to prevent accidents and ensure compliance with local codes. With careful planning and professional installation, you can create a beautiful and functional electrical system that enhances the comfort and value of your home. Also, bear in mind that the perceived color of a matte finish can differ slightly from that of a gloss finish, even if they are technically the same hue. Matte finishes tend to absorb more light, resulting in a deeper, richer color appearance, whereas gloss finishes reflect more light, which can make the color appear lighter and brighter. Therefore, when selecting colors for electrical devices, it's advisable to obtain samples of both matte and gloss finishes to compare them side by side under the lighting conditions in the room where they will be installed. This will help ensure that the chosen colors complement the overall design scheme and achieve the desired aesthetic effect. Another factor to consider is the texture of the finish. Some matte finishes have a slightly textured surface, which can provide a better grip and prevent slipping, especially on switches and dimmers that are frequently used. Gloss finishes, on the other hand, typically have a smooth, slick surface which can be more difficult to grip, particularly with wet or oily hands. Therefore, when selecting finishes for electrical devices in areas such as kitchens and bathrooms, where moisture and spills are common, it may be preferable to opt for a matte finish with a slightly textured surface to enhance safety and usability. Furthermore, it's important to consider the environmental impact of the chosen finishes. Some finishes may contain volatile organic compounds, also known as VOC, which can be harmful to human health and the environment. When selecting finishes for electrical devices, it's advisable to look for lower VOC or VOC-free options to minimize the risk of exposure to these harmful chemicals. Many manufacturers now offer eco-friendly finishes that are both durable and environmentally responsible. By choosing these sustainable options, homeowners can reduce their carbon footprint and create a healthier living environment for themselves and their families. In addition to the finish and material, the shape and size of electrical devices can also contribute to their overall aesthetic appeal. Some manufacturers offer a wide range of shapes and sizes to choose from, allowing homeowners to customize their electrical systems to suit their individual preferences. For example, switches and dimmers are available in various shapes, including square, rectangular, and round, as well as in different sizes, from standard to oversized. By carefully selecting the shape and size of electrical devices, homeowners can create a cohesive and visually appealing design that complements the overall style of their home. Moreover, the mounting options for electrical devices can also affect their appearance. Some devices are designed to be flush-mounted, which means that they sit flat against the wall, creating a seamless and streamlined look. Others are designed to be surface-mounted, which means that they protrude slightly from the wall, creating a more traditional or decorative effect. The choice between flush mount and surface mount depends on the desired aesthetic and the existing wall construction. Flush mount devices typically require more extensive preparation of the wall, while surface mount devices are easier to install and can be used on a wider range of wall surfaces. Therefore, when selecting electrical devices, it's important to consider the mounting options and choose the ones that best suit the specific needs and preferences. Finally, it's worth noting that the technology behind electrical devices is constantly evolving, with new innovations emerging all the time. For example, smart switches and dimmers are becoming increasingly popular, allowing homeowners to control their lighting and other electrical devices remotely using their smartphones or voice assistants. These smart devices offer a wide range of features, including scheduling, dimming, and energy monitoring, which can help homeowners save energy and reduce their utility bills. By staying abreast of the latest technological advancements, homeowners can make informed decisions and create a modern and efficient electrical system that enhances the comfort and convenience of their homes. So, as you embark on your journey to select the perfect electrical devices for your home, remember to consider all of these factors, from the finish and material to the shape, size, and technology. By taking the time to do your research and consult with professionals, you can create a living space that is both beautiful and functional, reflecting your personal style and enhancing your quality of life.